Hey guys, this is Andre from Pinnacle Credit Management, and with our client's report, David Solomon. As you can see, we increased his credit score up 51 points. He's only been a client for a month. Let's go ahead and scroll down and see what we did for him. Right now, it is May. It's the beginning of May. So as you can see, his score went up drastically, and let's look at the accounts we removed. Capital One, Best Buy, Capital One, and American Express, all big accounts. So pretty good improvement for our client David Solomon, and we're looking to do more, and all these inquiries removed. Let's go ahead and hop on to Equifax to see what we did for him. Okay, let's scroll all the way down here. JP Morgan Chase. Have you ever had a Chase account that needed to be removed? We remove them as well. Capital One, Best Buy, and then all the inquiries. Of course, you saw earlier he had a bankruptcy on his report recently. We're going to take that off too. So if you ever need credit repair, give us a call. As you can see, this is a great testimony from our client. We raised his score 50 points in just 1 month. So that could do a lot. Of course, he's not finished. Credit repair is a process. It can't happen overnight, but it can happen a lot sooner than you think. And during the process of working with you, we educate you on how to manage your credit and use the exclusive benefits from all these credit cards. So if you need credit repair, give us a call, 858-252-6053.